Okay, this is Unit 7 Review Part 3. Okay, so we got k is equal to 31.1. Now we have this side, now we can use the law of cosines. So now we just need to solve for angle J and angle L. So we're going to set this equal to, let's solve for J first, so it would be 13 over the sine of J. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply, so I get 31.1 times the sine of J is equal to 13 times the sine of 131. Okay, I'm going to divide by 31.1, divide by 31.1. I get the sine of J is equal to 13 times the sine of 131 over 31.1. Now I want to get J by itself, so I'm going to take the inverse of this whole thing here. Awesome, now I can plug this into my calculator. So I have the inverse sine of 13 times the sine of 131 divided by 31.1. Awesome, that gives me J is equal to 18.4 degrees. Okay, there's J. Okay, and that's it. Awesome. Yep, because we just want to find angle J.
At this time, bus line is on routes 23 to 33 sitting in rows 6 to 1 is next.
Okay, now part B is going to be very similar. Okay, so we know angle Q, we'll label it here, 123. Okay, we'll call this P right here and R right there. Okay, angle R, side R is right here, 24, and then 27 is right there. Okay, now very similar. We want to find this little q here first, and then we'll be able to use the law of sines to solve for angle P here. Okay, so if we use the law of cosines here, we're going to have q squared is equal to 24 squared plus 27 squared minus 2 times 24 times 27 times the cosine of 123. Okay, I'm going to plug all of this into my calculator and then square it. Okay, when I do that, I get Q is equal to 44.8. So now I have 44.8 here. Okay, awesome. Now I can use the law of sines to solve for this angle P. So here, I'm going to do 44.8 over the sine of 123 is equal to 27 over the sine of P. Okay, here I'm going to cross multiply, so I'm going to get 44.8 times the sine of P is equal to 27 times the sine of 123. I'm going to divide by that 44.8, so I get sine of P is equal to 27 times the sine of 123 over 44.8. Now I want to get P by itself, so I'm going to take the inverse, so I have P is equal to the inverse of sine of 27 times the sine of 123 over 44.8. Now I just plug that into my calculator. So I have 27 times the sine of 123. Divide that by 44.8. Hit enter. That gives me P is equal to 30.4 degrees. And that's it.